First at 6 tonight, Washington County prosecutors charge a man with first-degree manslaughter in the death of a Washington County deputy after the two got into a tussle in the jail back in March.
Even though the medical examiner's report says Deputy Kyle Davis died from natural causes, prosecutors say the suspect's actions contributed to Deputy Davis's death. News on 6's Reagan Ledbetter explains why prosecutors chose to file charges.
Prosecutors say although Deputy Davis's death was from heart disease, they believe Athene Henderson's actions of obstructing officers accelerated Davis's health problems, which led to his death. An affidavit says while Athene Henderson was in the Washington County Jail in March, he refused to listen to officers and even said they'd have to kill him before he'd go into a cell. Prosecutors say after several commands, Deputy Davis and other officers eventually forced Henderson to the ground to secure him so they could get him into a cell. Prosecutors say Henderson still refused to go, and officers had to physically escort Henderson. Documents say Davis started having chest pains and later died at the hospital. The medical examiner's report says Davis died of natural causes from cardiovascular disease. It says physical exertion during inmate restraint, morbid obesity, and chronic tobacco use contributed to his death. Now, prosecutors say the physical exertion was caused by Henderson's actions.
Our position, we believe the law of the state of Oklahoma is, whether you know or you don't know, if you're committing a misdemeanor and you hasten somebody's death, you're responsible for homicide.
Now, Buchanan says it's his responsibility to seek justice, and he says it would also be his responsibility to not file charges if he didn't believe Henderson's actions played a role in Davis's death. Now, Henderson's attorney tells me he hasn't had a chance to talk to Henderson about the charges, so he didn't want to make a comment at this time. In Washington County, Reagan Ledbetter, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.